yes, Mumbai Indians' middle order has been a big factor, but over the last 5 games, Krunal Pandya, Hardik Pandya have not been able to contribute much. So is it starting to become a cause of worry for you guys?
Not really. I mean, they have been doing really well. They have been working really hard in the nets every day, every practice sessions, and it's just I feel the matter of one game that we'll be coming back into the games. And yes, everyone is trying to take that responsibility in every game. It's just that it's not working. It happens in this sport, but I'm sure they'll come back really stronger.
Is it the ground dimensions? Is it the drastic difference between conditions in Mumbai and Chennai? Why is the middle order not able to click?
अभिषेक भाई, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कंडीशंस तो ऑब्वियसली डिफरेंट ही है, क्योंकि भवानखेड़े पे आप देखते हो कि कैसा विकेट्स रहता है और यहाँ पे कैसा विकेट्स रहता है. यस, कंडीशंस आर लिटिल डिफरेंट, बट कैसा है कि हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में अपने आप को ऐसे कंडीशंस के हिसाब से खेलने को ट्राई कर ही रहे हैं. जो भी हम जहाँ पे नेट्स करने जाते हैं, जहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस मैच हम लोग खेले, वी ट्राइड प्लेइंग ऑन सेम कंडीशंस. इट्स जस्ट कि जैसा हम लोग को चाहिए वैसा वर्क नहीं हो रहा है. और मेरे को 100% ऐसा श्योर है कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसे सिचुएशन में पहले भी रह चुके हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि वी हैव नॉट फेस दिस सिचुएशन बिफोर. वी हैव फेस दिस सिचुएशन बिफोर एंड वी हैव कम बैक रियली स्ट्रॉन्गर. सो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है वील कम बैक रियली स्ट्रॉन्गर, एंड इट्स जस्ट मैटर ऑफ वन गेम, एज आई सेड इन द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. एक गेम का बात है. एक गेम में वी फायर्ड अप, देन देयर इज नो लुकिंग बैक.
Actually, what went wrong with the defending champions or five-time champions this season? After considering last two games, do you think that MI needs to rethink about their plans or combination?
No, sir. I feel everything is going fine. Everyone's mindset is really good. What I've been saying, everyone's preparations has been spot on. What I feel is, as I said in the last question as well, it's just matter of one game. Everyone is backing each other. Everyone is there for each other. That's why we call it one family. So I feel it's about just one game. We just have to go out there and play the same way as we used to do in Mumbai, and everything will fall in place. Just because things are not falling in place, we can't sit back and think about what went wrong. I think one phase is completely over. It's time for next phase, and I'm sure 100% that we'll start the next phase really strong and come back into the tournament really hard.